Why do people struggle even when God gives guidance?
Great question. Now you are thinking like someone who really wants to grow. This is where the story gets interesting, because Jonah knew exactly what God wanted him to do, but he still tried to run away. Let's slow down and look carefully. Jonah was not confused about the direction, he was struggling emotionally with the mission itself. This might surprise you. The brain often avoids difficult situations when fear, frustration, or discomfort feel stronger than purpose. Most people miss this part. Jonah's struggle was happening more inside his emotions and attitudes than outside in the storm. Here is the deeper layer. Human struggle often happens when emotions, pride, and fear become louder than wisdom and trust.
So, what does that actually mean?
1. This is where the story begins to unfold in a deeper way. Jonah receives clear guidance but emotionally resists following it. 2. Now we start to see what was really happening beneath the surface. Frustration and personal feelings were slowly shaping Jonah's decisions. 3. This part is easy to skip, but it matters. Jonah kept trying to avoid discomfort instead of facing it honestly. 4. Here is where growth quietly begins. Emotional maturity slowly develops when people stop running from difficult situations. 5. This connects directly to real life. Many people today still avoid uncomfortable conversations, responsibilities, or emotional challenges. 6. This is the layer that shapes character over time. Repeated honest choices slowly train the brain toward courage and emotional resilience.
Does the brain really change from small steps?
Yes. First, your brain truly changes when you repeat small actions. Repeated avoidance slowly strengthens fear and emotional resistance. Second, this is how habits slowly become automatic. The brain learns emotional patterns through repetition. Third, emotions grow stronger the more we rehearse them. Frustration and anxiety slowly increase when avoidance repeats daily. Then, neural pathways begin firing faster and more efficiently. Courage and emotional regulation slowly strengthen through practice. Next, repeated reactions shape identity without us noticing. People slowly become more resilient or more emotionally avoidant over time. Finally, what feels small today becomes powerful tomorrow. Tiny honest decisions quietly reshape the brain and emotional health.
How does this show up in real life?
1. Think about how this shows up in school or work. Many people delay difficult tasks because discomfort feels overwhelming. 2. Notice how emotions often react before logic. Fear and frustration can quickly push people toward avoidance. 3. Watch what happens when stress repeats daily. Emotional exhaustion slowly weakens confidence and problem solving. 4. Small habits quietly create bigger patterns. Repeated avoidance slowly increases anxiety and emotional pressure. 5. Modern life makes this even more visible. Distractions and entertainment often help people escape problems instead of facing them wisely.
So, small equals big?
Yes. First, small steps almost always look unimpressive at the beginning. Courage usually starts very quietly. Second, repetition is what gives them strength. Daily honest actions slowly build emotional resilience. Third, steady practice builds quiet momentum. The brain slowly learns safer and healthier emotional responses. Then, what once felt difficult becomes natural. Facing problems calmly slowly becomes easier through practice. Lastly, consistency turns small faith into strong character. Just like tiny waves slowly shape strong rocks over time.
So, how do I start?
Step 1. Pause and notice what is actually happening inside you, especially during fear or frustration. Step 2. Allow yourself to feel it without rushing. Emotional awareness helps the brain respond more wisely. Step 3. Choose one small action instead of waiting for a big feeling. Even one honest step matters. Step 4. Reflect gently instead of criticizing yourself. Emotional growth usually develops slowly. Step 5. Repeat tomorrow. Because growth loves consistency, small courageous habits slowly strengthen emotional resilience.
What should we do today?
1. Choose something simple, not dramatic. Face one small responsibility you have been avoiding today. 2. Start smaller than you think you need to. Even one calm step matters. 3. Observe your reactions carefully. Notice when fear or frustration tries to control your choices. 4. Adjust without quitting. Emotional growth usually happens through repeated small decisions. 5. Come back tomorrow and build again. Small faithful habits slowly create stronger courage and emotional resilience. Remember, courage usually grows slowly through small repeated choices during uncomfortable moments. God stays close during fear, struggle, and emotional growth, especially when people keep moving forward honestly. Every small faithful and courageous decision is helping your brain, emotions, and character grow stronger over time. If this sparked curiosity, share this video with someone you care about. Learning grows stronger together.
See you in the next episode.